Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, the Realme 13 Pro. This device brings a lot of power, style and innovation to the table, so let's break it all down. Starting with the design, the Realme 13 Pro comes with a premium glass and metal build, giving it a sleek and modern look. The edges are curved for a comfortable grip, and the back features a unique gradient finish that shifts colors under different lighting. The camera module is slightly raised but blends seamlessly into the body, adding to its aesthetic appeal. The device is available in a range of colors to suit different styles. On the front you get a stunning OLED display with an ultra-high refresh rate, providing smooth visuals and deep colors. The bezels are incredibly slim, maximizing screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. The punch-hole camera is discreetly placed, ensuring minimal distraction whether you are gaming, watching videos, or scrolling through social media. Now let's talk about performance. The Realme 13 Pro is powered by the latest chipset, offering lightning-fast processing speeds and efficient power management. Multitasking is a breeze whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple apps simultaneously. With a large RAM capacity and high-speed storage, app loading times are almost instant and performance remains smooth even under heavy usage. Battery life is another strong point of this device. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Realme 13 Pro ensures all-day usage without breaking a sweat. And when you do need a recharge, the ultra-fast charging technology gets you back to full power in no time. Wireless charging support is also included, making it even more convenient for users who prefer a cable-free experience. The camera system is one of the standout features of this phone. The Realme 13 Pro boasts a high-resolution primary sensor that captures stunning details in every shot. The ultra-wide lens expands your field of view, making it perfect for landscapes and group photos. The macro lens allows for extreme close-ups, capturing textures and details that are usually missed. AI enhancements improve low-light photography, ensuring bright and clear images even in challenging conditions. Video recording is equally impressive, with advanced stabilization features making sure your footage looks professional even on the move. Software plays a crucial role in the overall experience, and Realme has optimized its interface to be clean, fast and feature-rich. The phone runs on the latest version of its custom UI, bringing new customization options and smart features to enhance usability. Security features like an in-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition make unlocking the device quick and secure. Connectivity options are top-notch, with support for the latest network standards, including high-speed 5G, ensuring blazing fast downloads and low latency for online gaming and video calls. The phone also includes high-quality stereo speakers with immersive audio for an enhanced entertainment experience. To wrap it up, the Realme 13 Pro is an all-round powerhouse. It offers a premium design, top-tier performance, an outstanding camera system, and long battery life, all at a competitive price. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable smartphone with cutting-edge features, this phone is a great choice. Stay tuned for more tech updates and reviews right here on FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Here's your YouTube script for the Realme 13 Pro. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additions.